Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS Home School. This is Sonia Khanjoya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Monishi, Dhaka. Today I am going to take English first paper student for the student of class 6 students. And our today's topic, model question 18, question number 3AB. Look at the board, my dear students. This is class 6. Subject English first paper, topic model question 18, question number 3AB, term annual, lecture number 1, homework number 1. My dear students, from this book Chaudhary and Hussain, from this book you will practice model question number 18. And our today's topic from this book model question number 18, unseen part 3A and B. So my dear student, we will start our today's topic. This is model question number 18, unseen part 3A, B. From question number 3, unseen part we will start. So now we will start. Number 3, read the text and answer the following questions. Our examination was over. The students of our class decided to go to Wonder Park. It is a beautiful picnic spot. Our class teacher, Mr. Ahmed, accompanied us. We reached the school compound early in the morning. All of us had brought light food in tiffin carriers. We also carried other things. We started at 9 a.m. by the hired bus. We arrived at the picnic spot around at 10 a.m. We made groups and played various games. When at the picnic spot, my student, when we were tired, we ate our lunch. We were very happy in the lap of nature. We had a nap to fresh ourselves. My friend Shubho entertained us with his sweet songs. Rita told jokes to make us laugh. I told them a few anecdotes and made them laugh. We had tea and snacks and we enjoyed boating for some time. We left the place at 6:30 p.m. It was a nice and pleasant outing. Now exercise A. Complete the following table with the information given in the passage. So you have to complete this table from this passage. So here first one is name, then food taken, then role played. So name here Mr. Ahmed, all, Shubho, Rita, and food taken A number cross, B number here, C and D cross, and role played A, B, C, D, E, all you have to write. So name, food taken, role played. So Mr. Ahmed, now role played, accompanied the students. So this one is accompanied us means accompanied the students. So Mr. Ahmed role played, accompanied the students. Then all, food taken, yes, all light food taken. Here all light food taken. All the students had brought light food in the tiffin carriers, and all role played games, and all the students played various games, Then Shubho, food taken cross, role played, entertained with his sweet songs. Here, so Shubho entertained us with his sweet songs. So Shubho entertained with sweet song. Then Rita, here is sweet songs. Okay. Then Rita, food taken cross and role played, told jokes. So Rita told jokes. Here Rita told jokes to make the students laugh. So this is our 3AB exercise done. Then number B, 3B. Read the text and answer the following questions. Again read the text and answer the following question. Mr. Rabia Chaudhary is the headmistress of Sherpur High School. She is proud of her school and works very hard. My job is to look after the students and teachers. She said, I have good teachers and they like teaching here. The students are well behaved and their classrooms are good. Come and see. In Sherpur High School, every classroom has a blackboard with a duster and some piece of chalk. There are desks and chairs for the students and a table and a chair for the teacher. We can see many pictures on the walls, said Mrs. Choudhury. My students painted them. They are beautiful and the teacher used them in their lessons. Now, exercise number B. Read the following statements. Write T means true. In your answer, skip if the statement is true. Write false. F means false if the statement is false. If false, give the correct answer. So, this is true and false. If your answer is true, then you write true. If your answer is false, then you write false and give the correct answer also. So, number 1, Mrs. Rabia Choudhury is proud of her students and teacher. So, this is false. So, our answer is Mrs. Rabia Choudhury is proud of her school. Here is the student. Here is the answer. She is proud of her schools and works very hard. So, our answer is Mrs. Rabia Choudhury is proud of her school. She is proud of her school. So, this is our true answer. This is our correct answer. Then number 2, she is not lazy. So, this is true. She is very hard working. She works very hard. So she is not lazy. Number 3, her teachers like Sherpur High School. Her teachers like Sherpur High School because the students are well behaved and their classroom are good. So, this is true. Here is the answer. The students are well behaved and their classroom are very good. So, this is true answer. Then number 4, the students painted the walls of their classroom. So, this is also true. So, my students painted them. So, this is our true answer. That students painted the walls of the classroom. This is true. Then last one is the teachers use pictures in their lessons. The teacher use pictures in their lessons. So, this is also true answer. They are beautiful and the teacher use them in their lesson. The teacher use them in their lesson. So, this is true answer. So, my dear student, this is our today's topic. And look at the board, my dear student. Your homework number 1 and homework 3A. 3A. Your homework number 1 and homework 3A. 3A. Your homework. So, your homework 3A. Question answer 3A will your homework. So, my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. See you again, inshallah.